Why do you need to install Ford Bronco wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Ford Bronco wheel spacers are a common modification for car model lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Ford Bronco wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing the Ford Bronco wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Ford Bronco wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and strength than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this kind of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than the lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Designed BONOSS active cooling Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distribute and tighter shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which can manually enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. So, if you are considering installing the Ford Bronco wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day!